Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning let's enter Wallet. And if you don't have it, open Play Store and install Wallet from Play Store. Open it and tap View Wallet button. As you can see from the homepage of this app, you've got access to quick wallet tips, your passes, and then you can add payment card to your Google Wallet and add new passes like transit pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set and if your phone meets security requirements. You can enter your Google account, check full list of participating banks, enter password manager, and in your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.